For real, every time, right in my eyes. I just did my thing, and I went away. Yeah, one of my is good friend.
Oh.
Napkin.
Sorry, boys. Here, there.
Sorry.
Sorry. In Tagalog?
Yeah, like my mom was.
I was so proud.
You moved to us. There you go. Also, I.
Saute. Now we'll have some later. Weekly special. Oh my gosh.
$10, $5.
That one's like a. Ah. Oh my gosh.
My try. Look how it's stretchy.
Treasure this. Please chew carefully and swallow slowly. Interesting. I wonder how many people swallow the whole thing. Oh, I don't want to like spill. This is pretty swallow.
The pressure that keeps.
I forgot about that.
Only things that I remember from bio.
I'm sure you know more of me.
In class, I had no idea what I was doing.
Yeah, this must be big. I'm going to put this right here. It's so big. Whoa! Wow! Wow, this looks so good. First bite. Oh.
You want me to go with you? Isehan prince lived in a beautiful. He taxed the village.
I don't know.
That came out really quickly.
I just got the golden crunchy one.
That one is not sure. I think that was supposed to be ours. And that one has sugar.
It doesn't matter, you can have it if you want.
Is it different per like?
I don't remember.
You know, like certain fishes are like more expensive. My third plate already.
Where's the...
With the oversized door, the trellis, and the seats, and something I do love. But for the sake of this video,
What? Oh,
we're going to enter through the beautiful wide stairs. So the light will go from the foyer off to my right. Something that you'll see is we have these all grass on the counter.
Whoa!
This one thing is actually forced to say you open up the wall with not one. So with a sink like this, you really could have a chef.
She was not wrong. I'm gonna lie, it's spicy. You're so brown.
Look, it's pangit. Fix this clock here.
What happened? This is so good. Hello. I'm gonna make dinner and I'm making udon, the pre-made one already, just cause I'm lazy. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I should add an extra one. I have this only because Bailey doesn't like the vegetables. It's literally just green onion. Ooh, I can add this to rice.
Where's the camera on?
Rice. Should I defrost these? Ooh, almost dropped it. Hello. Hope you liked that video, and I will see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.